A warm welcome. My name is Jyoti Budanava Raju, roll number 6, standard 7, division D. My topic name is Science, lesson number 11, cell structure and microorganisms. What is a cell? Cell is a fundamental structural and function unit of all living organisms. Robert Hooke, 1665, an English scientist who observed honeycomb-like dead cells and coined the term cell. Anton von Leeuwenhoek first described a living cell in 1667. Robert Brown discovered nacelles in 1833. Cell structure and functions. Cell has non-living outer layer called cell wall found only in plant cell. Below cell wall is cell membrane. Cell membrane encloses protoplasma. Protoplasma has semi-fluid matrix called cytoplasma and large membrane-bound structure called nacelles. Organ made up of group of different tissues that work to perform specific functional. In all living organisms, we observe circulation, growth, respiration, excretion, reproduction, etc. in life cycle process. In 1665, Robert Hooke was the first one to find that the structure of cell resembles that of a honeycomb, made up of many small compartments. This was a thin section of cork. He observed under a microscope. Some microorganisms are useful while some are harmful. Virus, simple structure, has a covering of protein, DNA and RNA, cause various diseases in plants and animals. Difference between animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell, generally small in size. Cell wall is absent. Plastids are absent. Vacuoles are smaller in size and less in number. Centrioles are present. Plant cell, generally large in size. Cell wall is present. Plastids are present. Vacuoles are large in size and more in number. Centrioles are absent. Levels of organization. Picture, term, definition. Term, cell. Definition, basic unit of structure and function in an organism. Term, tissue, a group of cells that work together to perform a task. Organ, two or more tissue working together to perform a task. Organ system, organs that work together to perform a task. Organism, a living thing. Difference between in prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Nacelles is undeveloped. Only one chromosome is present. Membrane-bound organelles are absent. Size ranges from 0.5.5. Example, bacteria and blue-green algae. Eukaryotic cell. First, nacelles is well developed. More than one chromosome are present. Membrane-bound organelles are present. Size ranges from 5-100 pm. Example, all other organisms. Thank you very much.